Hi everybody, this is Keith Schaefer from CATI. We now have the first wave of the live What's New in 2010s complete, and there's just one place that I didn't like, and that was this slide that says that SOLIDWORKS 2010 just works better. I'm going to try and substantiate some of that today. This is the first example that I've ran across, this fitting example in SOLIDWORKS 2009. If I create a drawing of this, you can see I can create the drawing fine, but the problem is when I try to take this front view and create a section view of it. Let me flip over and we'll look at SOLIDWORKS here, and I'll show you what happens. The problem lies within the SOLIDWORKS file itself having that helical thread on there. Now, I'm not saying that you should put helical thread on your parts, but if you're the maker of this part, it's probably something that you need to have in the part itself. So when we look at this thing, we'll go ahead and flop this part open, and we'll create a new drawing from it. We'll take just a standard drawing template. A size is fine. Go ahead and say OK. And we'll flop a front view, and we'll go ahead and section that. Now, when we section this, we're going to get a couple of different errors coming up, and the first one's telling us it's a partial view. Now, realize that we're trying to section through where that helix comes around and actually tapers to 0. So the problem is kind of a zero geometry issue going on. It's telling me that the section line doesn't properly cut through the model. And you wouldn't even at this point be able to go back to the model and create a section cut through it. It just doesn't do it. It's a limitation of 2009 and before. If we take this same example and open it in 2010 rather, what you're going to see is that when I open this in 2010, we'll just go ahead and take a standard C-size print, and I'll create a couple of views here. Now I'm going to go ahead and grab the section view of this one. We'll go ahead and make a section of the model. And what you're going to see is that SOLIDWORKS 2010 does it without a problem.